Hello students, I'm Kiran from Anjar Nagar Palika English Medium Primary School, which is managed by MSB Anjar. Dear students, today we will start with Standard 6, Subject English, Semester 1. Dear students, today's unit name is Amazing Animals. There are two parts in this chapter, Battle in the Jungle Part 1 and Part 2. Now students, open English textbook, page number 11, Unit 2, Amazing Animals, Activity 1. Now students, we'll start with Activity 1. This unit is about some of the amazing animals that share our world. Now students, here you can see one picture is given. What animal shape do you see in this picture? We see the shape of a butterfly. This is butterfly. What words do you find in the shape? Now students, some words are written in this shape of butterfly. Find out the words. Which words are given? The words we find in the shape are red, fly, blue, flower, color, antenna, insect, free, pollen, black, yellow, change, cocoon, pollen, wings, pretty, butterfly, flying, caterpillar, and flutter. Now students, will start with activity 2. First of all, I'll read this lesson and concentrate in reading, and then I'll explain the lesson. Battle in the Jungle Part 1. Students, battle means fighting. Battle means yuddh. In the jungle means forest. Part 1. Once upon a time, all the animals that walked on land and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel about who was the smartest and strongest. At first, they spoke softly, then slowly. Slowly, they became angrier and louder. The tiger growled and the wolves howled. The birds gave loud cries and cackles. The insects buzzed as loudly as they could. At last, one old parrot said, "Stop shouting. Let's not waste our time and energy in talk. Let's fight." Animals laughed at the bird's idea. Now I will explain this. Once there was a quarrel among land animals, birds, and insects to decide who was the strongest and smartest. Initially, they spoke softly, but their voice raised afterwards. At last, an old parrot suggested that instead of wasting their time and energy in talk, they should fight. The animals laughed out at Bird's idea. Now, "What?" said the lion. "Can you fight with us? Don't be foolish. I can bite harder than any one of you." The elephant said, "I can lift a whole tree and fight you all at once." "We will easily defeat you." Defeat means हरा देना. Beat, B-E-A-T, bit कर देना. "Will you?" said the parrot. "We will see about that. Get ready to fight us." The lion said, that he could bite harder than them. The elephant would lift a tree and fight them out all at once. The parrot challenged them to enter in the fight. The lion became the commander of the animals. Now, students, who become the commander of the animals? Lion became the commander of the animals. The parrot became the commander of the birds. Who became the commander of birds? The parrot became the commander of birds. The lion called all the animals together and gave them a drill for practice. Drill means repeated exercise. बार बार एक ही एक्सरसाइज करनी उसे बोलते हैं ड्रिल. For practice, they marched for long hours. March means walked with stiff steps. He gave them a lot of good food too. अच्छा खाना भी उनको दिया. लायन ने अपनी टीम को अच्छा खाना भी दिया और उनको ड्रिल भी करवाई और उनको मार्च प्रैक्टिस भी करवाई. The poor birds did not have good food and they did not practice. Instead, they had a meeting with their friends, the insects. पुअर बर्ड्स के पास ना तो खाने के लिए अच्छा कुछ था, ना ही उनके पास अच्छी प्रैक्टिस थी. उन्होंने अपने इंसेक्ट्स जो फ्रेंड्स थे उनके साथ में मीटिंग की. Now, students, here are some words, new words, which you may unaware of these words. So, get the meaning of the words. Quarrel means angry, disagreement. Man, long hair from the neck of the certain animals. You can see the man on lion, the long hair from the neck. Battle means fight, युद्ध. Sting to hurt with a sudden sharp pain. मधुमक्खी जैसे कुछ काट जाती है तो कैसा पेन होता है. Sting to hurt with a sudden sharp pain. Roar to utter a loud, deep, rumbling sound. Spy to watch closely and secretly. Now, students, did you find more new words from this story? Write them to help you remember them. And if you don't understand the words, underline the words and repeat it again. New words means insect, to growl, cackle, howl, defeat, drill, instead, ornaments, like this. Now, students, we'll start with activity 3. In activity 3, 3 characters have spoken in the story so far. Who are they? Now, students, tell me which 3 characters have spoken in the story. An old parrot, the lion, and elephant have spoken in the story so far. The lion has taken over the commandership of all the animals, and the parrot has taken over the commandership of all the birds. And the elephant claims that he can easily defeat all the birds. Now, students, look carefully at the story. How do you know who is speaking? How does the punctuations in the story show you that the characters are speaking? Notice and copy one of the quotations with its punctuation from one of the characters. The story says, now here you can see the punctuations and quotation. All the animals that walked on land and the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel, At first, they spoke softly, then slowly they become angrier and louder. Angrier and louder. Here, comparative degrees used. Here you can see the quotations and punctuation